Like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just got it.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. My name's Istiana and I'm here today with my boyfriend Alex.
Hey guys, what's up?
You might be the first guy on this channel, quite possibly. I'm very excited about this because this is going to be a fun spin on the idea of my boyfriend does my makeup. We're going to do the version of my boyfriend does my hair extensions.
I'm honored.
I'm so excited for this. So I think you've seen me do my hair extensions a couple times before while I'm getting ready, but this will be a test on if you've been paying attention on how to do it.
I don't think I have.
I'm not going to tell you anything how to do it, but I will give you 2 hints.
Okay.
If you need them. It's kind of like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. You get 2 hints if you absolutely need it and you don't know what to do next. And we're also going to do 2 levels. Level 1 is a little bit easier, and then level 2 is definitely harder. Are you ready?
No. Not at all.
Let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to give you the Luxy hair box. This is level 1. Ta-da! The beautiful pink box. Both.
So shiny.
Before we open this beautiful box, I would love to know, what are your honest thoughts on hair extensions? Yeah, what do guys think of hair extensions?
I don't even think half the guys even know hair extensions exist. Like, when I thought girls just grew their hair in a week to be super long when I was little. I didn't even think anything of it. I was just,
really?
Wow. Or maybe she just straightened and it was automatically a foot longer. I didn't. Well, I guess when I was younger, I could definitely realize when something was off, when it looked like a weird like curl and it kind of looked like Barbie hair, you know?
Oh, that's when you know you have a really bad color match and it doesn't match.
Yeah, it's like that weird
not a good
like
look.
blonde, but the person's hair was like light brown. I was like, what's going on here?
Well, good thing that I have the perfect match. And did you know that Luxy Hair will color match you? Like if you message Luxy Hair, they'll give you a color match, so that will never happen.
It's good to know. So I can get my ash brown really.
Yeah. What color is this? Let's pull it out.
Brown.
What type of brown? Which brown?
I'm gonna go with, I know a little bit about the colors, so I'm gonna go with chocolate brown.
Yeah, bingo! As you can see, it's a perfect match. Do you want to hold it, touch it? Is this your first time holding hair extensions?
It's silky. I think it's my first time.
Yeah,
wow.
It's really soft. So you're gonna need this. This is the hair clip. Okay. And I think that's all you really need.
Okay. Wait, what's going on? What am I doing?
You're gonna put them in my hair.
Okay. Okay, so what I think you have to do first is you have to lift up.
Here, I'll turn around.
You have to lift up the hair in a certain spot to put the extension under the hair, I think. Do something along the lines of this. You gotta find the nice little like bald circle here. And then we're gonna need to clip this. There. I've seen this before. Oh, I mean it's not very even. Let's start with our first clip. Oh gosh, some are different sizes. Oh.
And there's a reason why.
Okay,
Which size do you start with first?
This one has 3 clips.
Show the people.
3 clips. How do they even work? Is this the wrong one? How do these even go into your hair? What kind of sorcery is this? How does it even attach to your hair? How is that even a thing? Oh, I always hear the clipping noise. Oh, there we go. Nice.
Bingo.
Turn this way, please, ma'am.
Ouch! Don't poke my eyes.
There isn't much more space for any other Luxys. That's all. Really?
Do you need a hint?
Okay, and now we bring this down.
Oh, ouch. Gentle.
Ouch.
Gentle.
Ouch.
Gentle. I have a brush here if you need a brush.
I don't think we're gonna need the brush today. I'm doing such a good job.
Okay.
These are like the sideburn ones.
The sideburn pieces. How's it looking?
Wow, you look beautiful.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is that?
I don't know. Do any of them go underneath, like here? I'm gonna use a lifeline.
Okay, a hint.
Yeah, where does this one go?
Well, this is a 2-clip weft, so generally 2 clips go on the sides.
On the sides? I already put a 1 on the sides.
Well, do you think that's enough?
Okay, last lifeline. Where do the ones go?
You know you only have 1 lifeline left for the entire game, for both levels.
Are there things that I'm missing? This is only level 1?
Yeah!
Done.
Did you just clip them on the outside of my hair? Can you imagine? I feel like you clip them in too high also. I would never clip them higher than like my eyebrows. If they're way up here, you have less hair to cover the clips.
Right.
So I'm gonna hand you the Halo extensions. So I have some extra pieces in here, but the main piece, this is the Halo. Here, I'll give that to you.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have 2 smaller 2-clip side piece wefts.
Okay.
Okay? So let's get started.
Dang nabbit. Okay. Whew. We did it. Oh god, it's not gonna go around you.
You still have a hint? It's falling off my head. There you go. Ow, that was my ear. It's pinned to my ear.
No, it's not.
It clips on my ear.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Is it blended well?
Yep.
You need a brush?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Nope.
Ouch.
Gentle.
Can you see the wire?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Nope. I mean, I can't see the wire.
You can't?
Oh, well, what do you do with it then?
You have to cover it.
With what?
My hair. What are you doing? It's so messy. Okay, we're done. You need to fix your technique where you create like a cleaner line, where you lift up the hair, create a nice part, and then you clip it in nicely so there's no jumbled mess.
Okay.
But good job. What are your final thoughts on putting in hair extensions? What?
My back kind of hurts. It's pretty fun, but it's really satisfying when the clips clip. It's like, but yeah, it's nice.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching Alex try to put my hair extensions in. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the Luxy Hair channel for more videos as always, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye!